Alright, hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a coupon code for the 5 AROS. Alright, now this is exactly what's going to happen. Now the company provided me with a unique link, and that link is in the video description. So if you use that particular link, you are going to get discount. Alright, this is how it's going to work for you. Remember, if you don't use that link, it's not going to work. The coupon code with the promo code is attached with that link. So make sure to use that link in the video description to get some discount. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you again in the next video.